We are in two lanes when our ex leaves us and goes on a different path. We are so caught up in the pain that we are feeling, we forget our ex is on a different path to us right now. When an ex leaves us, that means they're done. But all we want to do is fix the problem. Today, I am going to be talking about when our ex will possibly regret leaving us. Hello, you beautiful people, and welcome to another upload here. My name is Matt, and if you haven't guessed it yet, I'm a breakup coach from the UK, specialising in behaviour patterns, helping you on the right road to reconnecting with your ex. Today we are going to be talking about two paths, two lanes that we are in. When we're broken up with, we want our ex back. We want to fix that pain that we are feeling, and that's totally normal. Our body is screaming out to fix this pain. But of course, our ex has left us. They've made their decision. This hasn't come lightly to them. They've probably been stewing over this for a while, pulling away gradually, and then making their decision and going. Now, an ex will not turn around the next day if this is a real breakup and say, I've made a big mistake, let's get back together. And no pleading, crying, convincing can bring them back. We have to understand this. We are in two separate lanes right now. Your ex wants to start a new chapter. They want to be free. They want to move away from this situation that is making them feel uneasy. They want to move away from this situation that they are feeling uncomfortable in. And what that means is they want to move away from you. They don't want to be in the same environment right now. They want to walk away and they want to be free. Our ex is on a different path than us. But will they regret leaving us? And how long does it take for an ex to look over their shoulder and realise if they made a mistake or not? By understanding that we are on two different paths can help you process this breakup. It can bring some peace towards the pain that you're feeling right now. Knowing your ex may well look over their shoulder and come back. But we have to do them a favour. That's true. We have to do them a favour. We have to give them time and we have to give them space, because the quicker we do that, the quicker the turnaround will be. For instance, if we push, they're only going to run further away from us, and time will go on. By accepting and putting away straight away or within a few weeks, we're going to speed up the process of them possibly returning. An ex will go out there and they will date. An ex will go out there and feel free. An ex will go out there and make memories on their own. You will find an ex go out there completely going through the identity change. I have a video on that as well, and I will put that at the end of this one, where they might change their whole wardrobe, they might change their hair, they might change the car that they drive. It's a complete identity change, and this is because they want to start a new chapter and they want to leave the old life behind. And it's so crucial that we let them do this. And even though we feel so much pain and we want to fix that pain, because we do not want our ex to go out there. We don't want our ex to go out and date. The thought of that will cripple us. The thought of them going out partying all night or going to festivals will cripple us. But guess what? We can't do anything about it. We need to program our mind and say, the quicker they get this out of their system, the quicker they possibly will regret what they've done. And while we're sitting back and getting on with our lives and processing the breakup where we are in between the space and time, it will show them that you are stable, that you are okay being on your own. And that is greatly attractive. An ex who has left you will not come back a week later. And if they have, you won't be listening to this right now. An ex who has left you to go and find different adventures, the time is endless, and it all depends how much you have pushed them. But going back to two different paths, you are on two different lanes. Of course, you are hurt, you want to fix that pain. They are wanting to get away from an awkward situation, and you have to let them go. To give any chance of an ex regretting their decision, you have to completely disappear and know that you are on two different paths. Let your ex go out there and experience life without you. This is all beneficial for you guys, even though the thought of it will cripple you. But it's beneficial for you. We have to think ahead on this. I do see exes reaching out more than what they don't, but you have to do the right thing in between. If you do want a one-to-one with me, guys, remember this is a generalized video and every situation is different and every personality is different. We can sit down, we can have a chat, and we can put a tailored plan to your situation. Guys, until the next one, you're all beautiful people. I will see you later.